In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iron ore in Once Human. So basically, the best area to get iron ore in the game is over here. If you look at the map, right up here at the Iron River. So these are the coordinates you can see right down below in the bottom right corner right now. And yeah, that's pretty much where you get the most iron. So if I zoom in, as you can see over here, right where the Iron River is, so at this road, so by this road, if you drive down this road, as you can see with a motorcycle, there's a bunch of these orange ores. And if you guys can see, if I walk up to it, it says this is iron ore. Now let me show you even more of this. If you want to hop on a bike, and if you drive down here, you can see there's a bunch of these iron ores down the road, okay? And as you can see, there's not only iron, there's many more as well. You can also find copper ore over here and many more iron ore, and then you have tin ore as well. So yeah, that's pretty much one of the best spots where you can find iron ore in the game. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.